Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to switch to Classic View in QuickBooks Online. If you prefer the older interface, switching to Classic View in QuickBooks Online can help you navigate more comfortably, especially if you're used to the traditional layout. The newer view focuses on a modern dashboard and reorganized navigation, but some users find the classic layout more familiar and efficient. To switch to Classic View, start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Then, go to the Reports section. You can choose any of the listed reports here, especially the ones listed on Favorites. For now, we're going to choose Balance Sheet. Look at the top right corner of your screen. In some versions, you may see an option that says Switch to Classic View directly within the menu or as a toggle option near the navigation panel. Click that option, and the system will reload your interface into the older navigation style. In Classic View, you'll typically see the more traditional left-hand navigation bar with clearer access to features like sales, expenses, reports, payroll, and accounting. If not, click on the drop-down arrow to the side of Compact. Here you can click on Normal View, which is similar to Classic View. So for those of you who can't find the Switch to Classic View option, you can use this. As I told you, if you don't immediately see the option, check your company settings or user preferences. Keep in mind that availability of Classic View can depend on your region, subscription plan, or whether QuickBooks has fully migrated your account to the updated experience. Some newer accounts may not have the option to revert permanently. After switching, take a moment to review your dashboard and confirm that all your usual tools are accessible. Your data remains unchanged, only the interface layout is different. It's important to remember that QuickBooks periodically updates its design to improve workflow and automation features. While Classic View may feel more familiar, the updated version often includes enhanced reporting tools and streamlined navigation. Choosing between Classic and the newer view ultimately comes down to comfort and efficiency. The goal is to use the layout that helps you manage transactions, reconcile accounts, and generate reports with confidence and accuracy. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.